Hi amazing people, I wish that you're very happy, absolutely fine and enjoying your life as well, and I welcome you on our YouTube channel Speak English, French and German. And in today's video I'm going to teach you German language, because if you are planning to go to Germany, Austria, Switzerland and Luxembourg, in any country for any purpose, to study there, for doing a job there, to apply for a spouse visa for your husband or wife, to start your own company in future, and even to practice as a doctor, I mean to say for any purpose, it is absolutely paramount for you to learn German language before going there, so that you can achieve all your future goals. And I'm here, I'm an expert in German language. I have been to all these German speaking countries, so now I want to teach you German language to help you to achieve all your future goals. So now, without wasting further time, let's learn German language. So now I'm going to teach you two auxiliary verbs in German language. We have auxiliary verbs in all the different languages, so it is important for you to learn in German language how we write, how we conjugate, how we speak, how we pronounce, how we can use in the sentences. So that's how you can learn and you can make progress in your German language, and that's how you can make better your German language. So today I want to make sure that I can help you with the conjugation, how we write, how we speak. Everything I told you I will try to cover. So here you can see. So first we will talk about the verb, auxiliary verb, and we call sein. Sein means to be, and you know the meaning is mr, because in English language we use that is mr. So we have to learn today the sein verb. How we conjugate, that's very important for you to first figure out how we conjugate, how we write, what is the spelling, how we pronounce. So don't worry, I will tell you step by step. So here is the conjugation, and first is bin, then we have bist, then we have ist, then we have sind. So here you have to keep in mind, whenever we have d at the end, so we have to pronounce like t. So sind. Then we have seid, then we have again sind. So let's repeat one more time. Bin, bist, ist, sind, seid, and sind. So that's how we have to pronounce, and that's how you have to write. Just figure out the spelling. Remember, because whenever you have to write something, you need to make sure you write the right spelling, and that's how you can get the full marks, you know. So now what we have to do is that, you know, that whenever we conjugate any verb, we have to use any verb like with the help of like subject pronouns, because then we can get the meaning. So here I have written all the subject pronouns, and that's why I have written in front of the subject pronouns what is the conjugation with each subject pronoun. So that's how you can make it easy for you. So first we have ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist. That's how you have to remember, because I told you many times we have to use the part of conjugation with all these three subject pronouns. So it is same, that's why we write together ist, sie ist, es ist. I hope you are understanding. Now next one is wir sind. Then we have ihr seid, it's a plural, you. Here you can see. Then we have sie sind. I have explained many times, like here it's a small s, here we have a capital S. So when you find the small letter of s, then you can understand the meaning is they. Here you can see, and it can be used with masculine and feminine, with both plural. So keep in mind this z, because whenever you have this capital letter of s, so you have to understand that we are talking about you singular and plural, and it is formal. So here we use the part of conjugation with both together, because that's how we have to remember. Sie sind. So I hope now you have got the gist of the conjugation, how we can use with the subject pronouns, how we pronounce. So let's repeat one more time. Ich bin, I remember everything I know because I speak German language. For me, it's a piece of cake, so I can tell you, ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. So that's how you have to remember whenever you conjugate a verb. You have to remember in the same way as I'm telling you, as I have written here. So ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist. That's how you have to remember the conjugation. Memorize. Ist, sie ist, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. So I hope you got the sense of the conjugation and how we can use, and you know the meaning. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. So these are the meaning to make it simple for you. And now let's talk about the examples which I have made for you to make sure that through examples you can easily fix into your mind forever, so you won't forget. Whenever you will forget, you can come back to this video on YouTube, and then you can easily learn again and you will again fix into your mind. So now let's talk about first the example. So here you can see ich bin. So I have made example for you. Ich bin gut. Ich bin gut, that means I am good. Now let's take an example of this du bist. So here is the example. Du bist zufrieden. Du bist zufrieden, that means you are satisfied. So that is the meaning of zufrieden. I am using different vocabulary to make sure that you can also learn new words through this YouTube video. So it's important for you also to learn, to enhance your vocabulary. So that's why I'm using new words for you. So now let's talk about this section. Ist, sie ist, es ist. So here I have made example. Ist freundlich. Ist freundlich, that means he is friendly. I can use the same sentence for sie ist freundlich, that means she is friendly. So we can use for both masculine and feminine, so it works. But for this S, I have made different example, like es ist bequem, because in German language say it is comfortable, it is nice, it is fantastic here. So we can say like es ist bequem. Es ist bequem. It is comfortable. So I hope you understand now. So now let's talk about the next one. So we have wir sind. So I'm using the example like wir sind begeistert. Wir sind begeistert. That means we are excited. So we say a lot of times whenever we are excited, we say we are excited for this new job, for this new life, for this trip. So you can use this example like wir sind begeistert. We are excited. Now let's talk about the next sentence. We have ihr seid. So here ihr seid höflich. Ihr seid höflich. That means here you can say it's a informal plural. So you all are polite. So you can learn this new word. Ihr seid höflich. That means you all are polite. So I hope you understand everything. Now let's talk about the next one, and it is also important for you to know. So here you can see sie, they, sie. Here we have the plural. Here you can see this you is singular and plural and formal. So now let's use with the help of sentence. So here you can see sie sind schnell. Here I'm using this sie. Sie sind schnell. That means you or they are fast. So here you can see the meaning is they. So that means we are using that for both masculine and feminine plural. Now let's use this one, sie with the capital S. So here you can see the example. Sie sind gierig. Sie sind gierig. That means you are greedy. And also you can say you all are greedy. So now after explaining you everything about this sein verb to be, now it's time to learn about the second auxiliary verb, and that is haben. That means to have. So I need to erase everything here, and then I will write down, and then I will tell you how you can use again, how you can write. So let's do it. So now let's learn about the next auxiliary verb, and that is haben in German language, and in English language we can say to have. This is the meaning. So here you can see I have made a conjugation, and now I will pronounce for you habe, hast, hat, haben, habt, haben. So that's how you have to pronounce. Once more: habe, habe, hast, hast, hat, hat, haben, haben, habt, habt, and haben, haben. So it's very simple now, and that's how we write. So just figure out, like, whenever you have to write, so use the same spelling, don't make a mistake. So now again, let's use this verb with the help of like subject pronouns, because you know very well so how we can like pronounce, how we can give a sound together, like ich habe, du hast, hat, sie hat, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben, sie haben. So now you know the meaning, because ich habe, that means I have, du hast, you have, hat, he has, sie hat, she has, es hat, it has. Then we have wir haben, we have. Then we have ihr habt, you all have. And then we have sie haben, they have, sie haben, you all have, or you have. So now it's easy for you to understand that how we write, how we pronounce, and what are the meanings, how we can use with the subject pronoun. So now let's discuss about some examples I have made for you to make sure that you can fix into your mind this verb, how we can use that in a day-to-day life. So first one, we have this ich habe ein Auto. So how we say ich habe ein Auto, that means I have a car. So that's how you can make your sentence, because many times we say if you have a car, I have a car. So you can say ich habe eine Auto. So that's how ein Auto. So that's how you can make your sentence. Now let's talk about the second one. Du hast. Du hast Geld. G-E-L-D. That means we pronounce like Geld. So Geld means money. So you can say du hast Geld. That means you have money. Now let's talk about the next one. Sie, es hat. So I have made example like hat eine Kamera. That means he has a camera. Then we have sie hat eine Kamera. That means she has a camera. So that's how we can make easy sentences. So, and for es hat, I have made this es hat Problem. That means it has problem. So you know it's very easy. Like now you can make your sentences as I have made for you to make sure that you can understand. Then we have wir haben. That means wir haben eine Familie. Wir haben eine Familie. I say in my life, I have a family. You say also, I have a family. So we can say, wir haben eine Familie. So you can use this sentence. Then we have ihr habt. So we can say, ihr habt Kuli. Kuli, K-U-L-I. Well, the exact word is Kugelschreiber. That means the pen, but we use the short form. So that's why I'm using small sentences to make sure that you can easily understand. So ihr habt Kuli, that means you all have pen. So that's how you can use. Now let's talk about the last one. So we have sie haben, sie haben. So sie haben Talent. Sie haben Talent. That means they have talent, because we are using this verb. They have talent. They have talent, and in German language we pronounce like sie haben Talent. Then we have sie, capital S. Then you know that the meaning is you have or you all have. So I have made an example like sie haben Lösung. So now I hope that you have learned all these two auxiliary verbs, and one is haben, to have, and one is sein, to be, is MR. So now you know how to write the conjugation. What is the conjugation? How you can use with the subject pronouns? What are the meaning? How we can use in a sentences? So now everything is absolutely clear. But still, if you have any doubts, so you can always contact me via Instagram, and I'll be very happy to help you. So finally, thank you so much, and keep learning. German language. So now I believe that you have understood everything and you have learned something new today. And also we offer German language classes. So if you want to make better your German language, writing, reading, listening and speaking skills, so you can surely join our classes, and for that you have to connect with us via WhatsApp and Instagram, and that's how we will be able to help you to make sure that you can learn German language and also you can achieve all your goals, and we would be very happy for your future success. In short, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification and you can watch all our videos. So finally, thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck and take care always.